Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Presentation applied in organic chemistry. My name is Shanawaz, roll number 1904, MSc second semester. Today is my topic is lanthanoid construction and its consequence. Lanthanoid construction. Lanthanoid construction is a unique feature in the chemistry of the lanthanoid. It has far-reaching consequence in the chemistry of third transition series of the element. The decrease in the atomic radii derived from the structure of the metal is not quite regular as it is regular in M+3 ions. The constructions are of course similar to that observed in an ordinary transition series and attribute D to same cause the imperfect shielding of one electrons by another by same subshells. However, the shielding of one 4f electron by another is less than 1d electrons by another, decreasing in nuclear charge along the series. There is fairly decreasing in size with increase in cumulative effect atomic number. The cumulative effect of the constructions of the lanthanoid series known as lanthanoid construction cause the radii of the atomic number member of third transition series to be very similar to those of the corresponding member of the second series. From lanthanum element 57 to lutetium element 71, a total of 14 electrons are added successively to element of 4f subshell. The result is a decreasing in 20% in atomic size from the beginning of the series to the end. There are two reasons for the greater distance in size in the 4f series than in any of the S, P or D series. First, S has only 2 elements, P has 6 elements, D has 10 elements, whereas F series has 14 elements. Given steady decrease in size moving from one element to the next, it would be expected that cumulative effect would be greater with a large number of elements. Second, the orbital in different types of subshells are shaped differently. In S, P and D orbitals, the inner electrons can partially shield the outer electrons from the attractive force exerted by the nucleus. In the case of F orbitals, shape of orbitals cause the electron density to spread out more diffusely through the atoms, resulting in lesser shielding effect. Therefore, the nuclei can exert stronger pull on the outermost electron, drawing them closer to the nucleus and giving the M atom smaller size. There are two consequences of lanthanoid construction. There are two consequences of lanthanoid construction. Number 1, grouping of lanthanoids. The first consequence is the grouping of lanthanoids into two subgroups. Number 1, Ceria subgroups. Lanthanum, cerium, praseodymium, neodymium, and samarium. Promethium, although it is not occur in naturally, are together referred as Ceria subgroups. Number 2, Yttria subgroups. Europium, gadolinium, terbium, dysprosium, holmium, erbium, thulium, ytterbium, and lutetium are together referred as Yttria subgroups. The first Ceria subgroups have large atoms than the second groups. It have chemical property more similar to one another than the second groups. The Yttria subgroup have atoms that significantly smaller and similar in size to the elements yttrium, which is located in the second row of transition metal. The properties of yttria elements are more resemble to the yttrium than the properties of the element located earlier in the lanthanide series. Number 2, similarity in the properties of second and third row of transition elements. The second consequences of the lanthanide construction is its effect on the element in third row of the transition metals. Elements in the first row are characterized by electron in 3D subshells. Elements in second row are characterized by electron in 4D subshells. Following the general trend of increasing atomic size upon descending a column of the table, the atoms of 4D metals are significantly larger in size than the atoms of the metal located just above them 3D metals. The chemical and physical properties of 4D metals are significantly different than the 3D metals, and it is not true that 5D metals have larger size than 4D metals. The chemical properties of 5D and 4D are significantly similar and different from 3D metals because the size of 5D metal nearly reached to the yttrium elements. Number 3, position of yttrium. The magnitudes of lanthanide construction resulted in the position of yttrium ion plus 3, ionic radii 0.98 angstrom between dysprosium ion plus dy plus 3, ionic radii 0.99 angstrom, helium ion plus 3, ionic radii 0.97 angstrom. The similarity in ionic radii of yttrium ions plus 3 with that of heavier lanthanides and similarity in crystal structures, solubility and chemical properties of yttrium compounds with the heavier lanthanides. These facts makes the yttrium practical member of the lanthanide series. It results in slight variation in their chemical property which help in their separation by ion exchange. Number 5. Each element beyond lanthanum has same atomic radius as that of the elements lying above it in the group. Number 6. Covalent characters. The covalent character of the hydroxides of lanthanide increase as the size decrease. Lanthanum plus 3 ions to lutetium ions plus 3 ions. However, the basic strength decrease. LaOH whole 3 thus is more basic, whereas LuOH whole 3 is least basic. Similarly, the basicity of oxides also decrease in order from La plus 3 to Lu plus 3. Tendency to form stable complexes. Tendency to form stable complexes from La plus 3 to Lu plus 3 increase as the size decrease in that order. Number 8. Densities. Densities of the second series of the transition elements are only slightly higher than those of first series, while the densities of the third series of these elements are nearly 2 times the densities of the corresponding elements in the second series. Number 9. Electronegativity. There are slightly increase in the electronegativity trivalent ions from La to Lu. Number 10. Radius. Since the radius of Yb plus 3 ions 86 pm is comparable to the heavier lanthanides Tb, Dy, Ho and Er, therefore they occur together in natural minerals. Hardness, melting point, boiling points. The hardness, melting point and boiling points of some elements after atomic number 72 HF are higher than the expected due to lanthanide construction. This is because attraction between the atoms increase as the size decrease. Number 12, ionization potential. It usually decreases in groups as atomic number increase. However, the ionization potential of some elements from atomic number 73 Ta to 80 Hg d block elements and 81 Tl 82 Pb in p block elements are higher than those of same group above them. This abnormality due to lanthanide construction. Thank you, thankfuls, thanks the ants.